I already got the Bruno Marc men's casual slip-on loafers. They come in 4 different colors: brown, a dark gray, white, and this is the black color, my favorite. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It came packaged great, and I will show myself unboxing it over here. So let's get a look at these shoes. The big point for me is that they are slip-on and slip-off shoes. These are great for my daily dog walks, and they're great for slipping them on and off and running to the grocery store or to go play golf anywhere, really. To me, they're great looking shoes. You can wear them with pants, you can wear them with shorts, or even with casual work pants in an office setting. Really good looking shoe as far as I'm concerned. The stitching on them looks great, and they are super lightweight. We got EVA soles on the bottom and a breathable knit upper, which is great for the summertime, which it is now. They also have a little stretch thing going on here. I like that. It makes them easier to put on for me. And also I wear a 13 wide, so they actually stretch out to fit my foot perfectly. They're super comfortable. Speaking of that, as far as the fit goes, after a few days of wearing them, to me they are true to size. I'm a size 13 wide and they fit me perfectly. The stretching definitely helps, and I don't feel like they're going to stretch out either. I realize that a pair of shoes is going to be a different feel for everyone because we're all built differently, but the arch support from these gel inserts in here is perfect for me, and I've had no issues with wearing them all day long. This is my second pair of Bruno Marc shoes. I wore the first pair on my 2 daily dog walks for about 2 or 3 years. I can't remember exactly. I've finally worn most of the tread off of the sole, so I'm glad to have another pair of Brunos after I've had such good luck with the first pair. So there you go, a nice looking, comfortable, breathable pair of slip-on shoes that look great, feel great, and if they're as good as the last shoes I had, they're going to last me a while. So very nice.